friends, welcome to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple. Today I have a little unboxing. This is my order from Elle Studio. So in here is my monthly kit and additional goodies that I have ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through that with you. Here's a little thank you note. Here's all my goodies that I ordered. Here's the monthly kit. I'll go through this at the end, and I'll just show you the little extras that I bundled with my subscription kit. So first thing is I got these Happy Heart die cuts. I'm assuming these are fall. I'm not gonna go through every single one, but they got lots of leaves, different shades of colors of leaves, and little sayings like hello fall, smile, I love that, selfie, that's cute, moment, it's got cute little hearts, super cute, I love all that. So I can put it in my October daily album and for my project life, or maybe if I want to do a layout I could do that as well. So I got these die cuts here. I have gotten these trick or treat puppy stickers. These say happy Halloween, October, spooky scary skeletons. That's cute because that's one of my son's favorite songs. Trick or treat, lots of bat stars, costume. I love puppy stickers, are one of my go-tos when documenting my projects. And I also ordered the puffy alphabet stickers. I like that they're black, yellow, and orange, so that's cute. I got that. I did get the Halloween journaling card set. This one I will go through just in case if you guys are thinking of getting these, you guys kind of have an idea of what they are. So it's Happy Halloween 31, Spooky, the spooky details, Boo. Here's are the 3x4 cards. Here is the jack-o'-lantern faces and October delights. So those are the 4x6s that come with that. And then some of the 3x4 cards come with, I believe this is a set of labels that I can cut apart. This one has candy corn. So candy corn, Halloween by the numbers. I love this because then you can put in how much of everything. Photos taken, bags of candy bought, costumes tried on, trick or treat stops, bags of candy handed out. And this cute one that says trick or treat, beware, eek, boo, spooky scary skeletons. We will make you we will wake you with a boo. That's cute. Costume details. This year I dressed up as, my favorite part was, homemade, purchased, and this stripy one with the pinking trim there. So that is the journaling card set for the Halloween journaling kit. Just go ahead and leave that there. And then I also got the Happy Halloween die cuts. I got my order super late. Usually on the 10th of every month we get to put in our order for add-ons from our kit, and it just took forever. So I got some frames, some tags here. I love this little ghost with the little jack-o'-lantern bag, or what is it called? These little guys to put your candy in. Another frame, an award ribbon. I showed in one of my videos how to make these cute little award ribbons. Pumpkin patch, cool different stars, Halloween traditions, ticket, more tags, more pumpkins, another award ribbon, that's cute. Another ticket, Halloween party, tons of little tags, pumpkins, booze, happy Halloween. I love this little ghost, trick or treat, candy corns, more candy please. I love this little ghost, it's so cute. Eek. And then all these little sayings, pumpkin carving, all the things that you want when documenting your Halloween. Hocus pocus, here for the spooks, and I love all these little candy corns. So that is the Halloween die cut set here. If I remember, I'll try to link all these things that you can buy in on their website. You can order these little goodies for your October. So this is what I ordered for that, and then I actually got their Christmas one, their Christmas journaling card set. Last year I bought the December documentary kit, and I didn't this year. All I want for Christmas is you, all around town errands. So excited about this. Look what I found on sale, full price. Almost forgot this. Oops. Making list, checking it twice, add to cart. That's cute. So that is the Christmas journaling card set. I'm just gonna leave it in this thing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the September kit. And like I said, I've ran out of cards because I got this at the end of the month, close to the end of the month. So these are the die cuts that came with the kit. I think this is one sheet. All my heart, notes, date. This was a great day. Little mug. Hello autumn. We will miss you. Goodbye summer. I know there's another set of die cuts here. Let me see if I find them here. Oh, here it is. That's a 4x6. Here's the other die cut. Reading, eating, watching, loving. Perfect day to stay home. Fall favorite. Real life right now. The best way to start the day. Excited for this new season. I love this little hearts here and more tabs. I love these currentlies because I think it's important to document the things that are happening at the moment, right? And then this is the other 4x6. So it's thankful for these memories. That's cute. So these are the 4x6s, and then these are the 3x4s. Cute leaves, hearts, autumn fun. I like this grid, staying in, going out. Another kind of floral card, the details. Best memories, grateful for this, together, enjoying the weekend. More fall filler card. What are these called? Argon. I can't remember what the name of this print is. Yeah, it's a filler card. I like these little cups. Mugs with warm goodness. Hearts. Here's the story. These are the days. Another frame with the heart. This was awesome. Currently collecting. These are a few of my favorite things. I love that. One of our favorite fall traditions. I love that too. And these cute fall hues. And then this card here with like a pocket library card looking thing with a star at the top there. So these are all the 3x4 cards that came in the September kit. I can't wait to use them because I ran out of cards or printables. Oh my gosh. And I love the colors that came with it. So yeah. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like some of these goodies. If you do, go ahead and check out the links. Click so that you guys can order and use them in your projects. All right, this is all for now. So I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.